In this video, we are learning about work, and this work is work done in physics. So, work done in physics is a little different than the work we do in our daily life. For example, when we are sitting on a chair and doing some work on the laptop, in physics, it is not considered as a work. The work done is defined as the product of force applied on the object, and due to that force there is some displacement. Okay, this type of work will be considered as positive work. What type of work? Positive work. And positive work is when there is a force and due to that force there is displacement. So when I'm saying the work is positive, you may be thinking whether there is negative work or zero work. Yes, there is zero work and there is negative work as well. So in case of zero work, the force which is applied and the displacement, they are perpendicular to each other. They are at 90 degree. And when we talk about the negative work, in case of negative work, the force and the displacement, they are opposite to each other. Okay, and this is displacement. So where do you find the example of positive work? So positive work you can find, let's say if there is a lawn roller and the gardener is pushing or pulling this lawn roller, and due to that push there is a displacement in the direction of force. So that is positive work. Okay, and the example of negative work is, let's say a person is holding a suitcase. This is the suitcase and the person is applying the force upward, but you are moving this and instead of you can say the person is moving this suitcase towards the right side. So displacement here you can see is d, which is towards the right side, but the force applied by the hand of a person is upward. So work done by this force in displacing the object at a distance of d is actually 0. And I'm saying here distance because this is a straight line, and distance and displacement both are equal. So F into d, when I'm taking it like a 90 degree, then the work then becomes 0. Now what is example of negative work? In case of negative work, you can see this example often when brake is applied on a moving car. So the displacement of car is, let's say, towards the right side, and when the brake is applied, brake applies force in the opposite direction. So this is the direction of force, opposite force. So in this case, the work done is negative. Work done is negative, right?